Hi everyone, today I am back, as I said I would be, to transform the second passive subwoofer. This thing looks great, but you know what, I think it looks better with some nice coating on it, So let's do that. Just got some more materials, and I've actually redid my workspace a little bit. Redid it. Has the vacuum everywhere, and I am now ready to transform this one. I have all my tools, some more materials, and they're normal materials. I have the power pack. So now we're just gonna heat up. Got some hot glue here. I actually do not have that much left. This is kind of concerning. And in the meantime, while this heats up, I'm going to be remaking the wire. Securely connected. Now I think our glue gun has heated up enough. And like last time, we repeat those steps. Now let's figure out how to get this print the circle on there so I can cut it out. I cannot just guess it around. Just press it down like that, maybe? How about that? Oh, yeah, I think we got a little print. Let's do it a little bit more again. I don't see it all the way. Now we got a full circle. That's perfect. Now time to cut out again. Now I want to try a little something out. Got some circles here that I bought at the dollar store. Yeah, that's obviously too big, right? What about this one? I don't know if it looks better with that thing. And I could put like a tissue on top here. Because I actually don't have enough tissue to cover the whole thing up here. So now we got all the big sides finished. Let's see for the smaller sides. There we go. So now that switch hole is cut out. That's better, right? Protected wire, why not? More durability. Sounds like Daddy's whip. Now, let's do the sides. We got 1, 2, 3. 3 sides left. So I actually found some more hot glue. This is one full packet and probably another one. I added some glue sticks inside that I found lying around in other places. So yeah, one giant packet. Definitely enough to finish this whole thing. Probably even make another one. It's harder to press on the speaker because airflow. That got me thinking. Let's get to it. Kind of make a similar pattern like the other subwoofer, but like in different ways. So let me just trace down so I can be sure of what I'm doing. If I like it, if I do not like it. Wait, first of all, let's find out where the top is. Would it be like this? Would it be like this? No, I think it should be more like this. You got a switch on the bottom. Yeah. So let's go ahead and trace down and see what we would want. Well, all the holes are cut out. So, time to make some more detail. Start doing some front stuff. Well, looks like we're sacrificing another shirt today. Well, that's the front for now. I don't know, but I almost want to paint it. Just like put some paint and just pass over it. But it looks awesome, man. I'm so proud of myself and what I did. And it's gonna be on YouTube too. And if you guys like what I'm doing, subscribe to me and turn on the notifications so you can know whenever I do something like this again. Alright, and a few moments later and I am done transforming this thing. So now I've got everything plugged in and ready to go to test it. As you can see, same coating on the wire. All of those. Nice cloud on the front. And I actually painted this whole ring. And honestly, I do not regret it. It looks nice. And it looks perfect right now. So let's go ahead and turn it on. It's on. Now we just gotta play the music. Let's put it on the max. Same one as the last one. The music. Yeah, it sounds about like the other one. Yeah, it's doing great so far. It definitely looks way better than the other one. Where the whole black cloth is vibrating with it. You can see the same feature, the switch. So it makes it a lot easier to stop playing music with this one instead of always having to go and unplug it, you know, from the amplifier itself. So this is the results for now. And I really like it. It's all nice, it's all black. We can't see any cardboard, so that's always a plus. So that was for today's transformation. I really like the process of doing it. And this thing is so awesome. I just can't keep my eyes off of this thing. Like, look at this. It's so perfect. Like the ring, it's just so awesome. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for the looks. I think it turned out great. So that was for today. I hope you enjoyed it, like every other videos. And see you in the next one.